Hey everybody, Dr. Fisher here. We're hanging out with Tim. We are ready and excited for the new year. So we have an exciting announcement to be made. We are going to be offering a course on manifesting for the new year. So manifesting the new you for the new year. So if you're interested, we're going to go ahead and include a little thing for you to write down your name, and or you can email us directly here at the office. We're going to be offering it in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So if you're interested and excited about manifesting whatever it is you want, we are here for you. So we'll be putting out some more information this next week. And this is Dr. Fisher and Tim signing out.